Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Math Tech. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to log out from your Roblox account. Open your Roblox application on the device and make sure to log in on your Roblox account. Once you are logged in on your account, on the bottom right corner you will see three dotted icon. Tap on it and once you appear on this page, scroll down and you will find the option of logout. Tap on logout and before logging out, you need to enter your parents' email address so that you don't get logged out. So after entering your parents' email, you need to tap on continue or you can skip logout anyway and log out from your Roblox account. If this video was useful, hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more tutorial videos. Thank you.